समझ में आ गया? I said that Anglo-Sikh War. What has been happened in Anglo-Sikh War? I said that right now. In the last decade of 18th century, under Raja Ranjit Singh, west of Satluj, great Sikh empire has been created. Which includes parts of present Punjab, parts of Himachal Pradesh, parts of Jammu and Kashmir, Punjab region of Pakistan, and Multan region of Pakistan. But in 1839, he died, and in only 6 years, from 1839 to 45, in only 6 years, from 1839 to 45, Sikh ruler like Khadak Singh, Naunihal Singh, and Sher Singh were killed. And ultimately, Sikh power come in the hand of 5-year-old kid Dilip Singh. 5-year-old kid Dilip Singh. This way Sikh empire has been made weak and without leader. That is clear? Change the para. In such situation, change the para. In such situation, Britishers are ready to take benefit and they did. First Anglo-Sikh War, from 1845 to 46, which consists of following battles: बैटल ऑफ मुडकी, और ये सब ऑर्डर में है, एक भी ऑर्डर का नहीं है, सारे ऑर्डर में है। फर्स्ट मुडकी बैटल जीता, बैटल ऑफ मुडकी, बैटल ऑफ फिरोज शाह, बैटल ऑफ अलीवाल, और सारे अली क्या कर रहे हैं, सब रो रहे हैं. एंड बैटल ऑफ सोब्राउ. थ्रू दिस बैटल, through this war, larger portion of Sikh empire has been captured. Change the para. Thereafter, in 1848-56, in 1848 to 49, 1848 to 49, second Anglo-Sikh war took place. Second Anglo-Sikh war took place under the Dalhousie and the whole Punjab was annexed. After annexing Northwest Frontier Province and Punjab province has been created. Northwest Frontier, कभी आप पढ़ते हैं ना NFWFP in the history study, क्योंकि लोग बढ़ते जाते हैं, उनको पता नहीं होता है कहाँ पे कैसे हो रहा है. Northwest Frontier Province and Punjab province has been created. Understood? So today we have seen United Province has been captured. United Province has been captured. Thereafter we have seen which province has been captured? Punjab and Northwest Frontier Province has been formed. Understood? These are the two creation we have been able to see. And उसके बाद हम लोग देखेंगे सिंध रीजन. सिंपल एक लाइन लिखूंगा मैं. इन 1843 गवर्नर जनरल, पहले यहाँ पर ध्यान से देखेंगे. 1842 to 44 Ellenborough and 1844 to 48 Harding. एक हार्डिंग आपको कहाँ पे आएंगे? One Harding will come in. I said that 1911 to 19, that is a Harding bomb case. दो Harding है. And another I said that 1848 to 56, I said that Dalhousie. और इसके पीरियड में सिंध has been captured. Understood? Ellenborough. Write down in 1843, next line. In 1843, Sindh region has been annexed by Ellenborough. Sindh region has been annexed by Ellenborough. Clear? And Rajasthan region capture किया गया था कि नहीं किया गया था? नहीं, Rajput से they have already subdued themselves and then they have been not. So there is how many? I said that the several provinces are there. There are 11 provinces. बाद में तोड़ा गया, that we will see. 11 provinces, and we'll be able to see, like I said, that 568 princely states. So only यदि देखा जाए तो half of India has been captured by the British and rest are under the princely state. 60%, around 60% of India are under the British Empire. So आज मैंने simple start किया. I said that United Province creation, and then I said that Punjab, that is Punjab and Northwest Frontier Province creation. Simple. I said that just listen me, and thereafter I will go for Carnatic, Anglo-French War, and thereafter it finished. I said that there is some in the Awadh region there after the fall of decline of Mughal Empire in the 1722, Sadat Khan Burhan ul Mulk, he has made his own independent Awadh state. Understood? Thereafter I said, इतना ही मैंने बताया था इसके बारे में. Thereafter who come? Safed, Sada Safed, Safdarjung, and Safdarjung was afraid of Rohilas and Bangas Pathan. Therefore, he made in a friendly relationship with the Maratha and Rajputas. Understood? And thereafter, we have been able to see in 1748, Muhammad Shah Rangila ने Battle of Nadir Shah, जो Battle of Karnal हुआ था by the Nadir Shah, उसके flooding की वजह से उसने Safdarjung को बुलाया, and he was made Wazir of Mughal Empire and known as Nawab Wazir. This Safdarjung. Next one coming of Shuja'ud-Dawla. Allahabad Treaty 1764, Battle of Buxar 1764, Allahabad Treaty 1765, and 1765 के बाद Allahabad and Kara has been given. होने के लिए तो बहुत कुछ हुआ था, हमने कल देखा था. I said that there is Nizamat rights, Diwani rights, ये सारे चीज देखे थे, but I am saying today only. I said then Allahabad and Kara has been taken, and thereafter I said that through the Treaty of Banaras, Allahabad and Kara has been again sold to Killer, and they have done some will help each other during the war. And 1774 में Warren Hastings helped in the Rohillas attack. Understood? Rohilkhand को finish किया, और उसके वजह से Warren Hastings has been criticized. अब मराठा अटैक करने आ रहा था, ये सब नहीं बोला मैंने. Thereafter I said that this way, and thereafter we have seen Shuja'ud-Dawla, and then Shuja'ud-Dawla के बाद we have been able to see असरफियाँ शादी में किसको मिलता है? वाजिद अली को, वाजिवा, असफुद्दौला, सफ, and then for Faizabad, Treaty of Faizabad, and this one Faizabad has been capital of Awadh as a Faizabad transferred to Lucknow, and another we have seen after that Sadat Ali Khan, and Sadat Ali Khan ने क्या किया था? What he has done? Subsidiary alliance in 1801 शादी किया और लॉस हो जाते हैं उसके बाद. Subsidiary alliance, and then half of the territory has been completely annexed. अब जब आपने subsidiary alliance कर लिया, इसका मतलब है कि you can also go through what? You can also go through doctrine of lapse. It is done by Wellesley from the 1798 to 1885, and 1848 to 56 there is an, I said, doctrine of lapse under the Dalhousie, and then Dalhousie has annexed which region? Under the Wajid Ali Shah mein, Awadh was completely annexed, our Rohilkhand and everything come, and then Wajid Ali Shah, who was in a luxurious life, loving dance, music, he has been sent to go to the Kolkata. You are not like a ruler, and the ruler nahi ho, aap musician ho, you are lover of art, you should be there in Kolkata. And Sara region ko confiscate kar liya, annexed by the doctrine of lapse. This way United Province has been created, simple. उसके बाद आगे हम लोग what? Sikh. And then I said simply 1799 last years में 18th century के last में Raja Ranjit Singh has grown Sukat Chakia Misl, and by reaching 1839 he has created a large empire. And what large empire? I said that it's west of Satluj, and then Kangra and Chamba region of Himachal Pradesh, and then some portion Attock and Kashmir region of Jammu and Kashmir, Punjab region of Pakistan, and Multan region of Pakistan. Great empire has been created. और इसी दौरान he has also helped the what is the son of Ahmad Shah Abdali, and he returned back Kohinoor diamond. I said that after creating this empire in 1839 he has been died, but in the next 6 years from 1839 to 1845 the what is the three rulers has been killed. That I said that first Khadak Singh, Naunihal Singh and Sher Singh were killed. Understood? Thereafter we have been able to see ये killed कर दिया गया. Then we have been able to see क्या देखा हमने? Then Dalip Singh come, who was a very young and all, they become weak, and then weak empire, you know that it can be easily defeated, and they are ready to, and then इसी situation के लिए wait कर रहे थे, and then first Anglo-Sikh war taken place. That is, I said that 1845 to 56, 45 to 46, and then 4 battle has been taken place. मूड किया फिरोज शाह का कि अली सबको रुलाऊंगा, मूड की फिरोज शाह, अलीवाल, and then Sobraon. These are the battle, and this way, and Treaty of Lahore ke saath it has been finished under the Harding. And in the 1848-49 second Anglo-Sikh war has been taken place, and during this period again what happened? Dalhousie come and completely finished. Understood? Or Ellen Brough ने क्या finish किया था? Sindh region in 1843. So this is the way we have been able to see. And next one I said that French war.